Hi, my name is Adeep Sharma, founder of Learning Unlimited. I welcome you to the foreign language program at LU. Thank you for visiting our website where you can discover who we are, what we teach, and how to spot us. We are located in the Millennium City of India in the National Capital Region at Gurgaon. We hope you will find reasons to stop by to say hello and let us know you better. Studying a foreign language here at Learning Unlimited is very different than learning a foreign language elsewhere. In school, I feel the class is more based on grades, while here I feel it is more about helping the students learn the language more thoroughly. Foreign language study makes its unique contribution in preparing our students to live in today's and tomorrow's globalized world and to function effectively as global citizens. It is also inseparable from high quality liberal education because it leads students out of the narrow ethnocentrism that may result from monolingual education. Our goal is to provide LU students with quality instruction leading to immediate practical learning outcomes. To this end, all our foreign language instructors use an innovative approach informed by the most current approaches to second language acquisition. The program emphasizes oral communication, and as you become one of our students, you will immediately notice a striking difference between our courses and other language learning experience. No tedious grammar rules and exercises or long vocabulary lists. The Foreign Languages program offers LU students instruction in a wide variety of different word languages. Our course offerings include both traditional or commonly taught languages such as Spanish, French, and German, as well as such critical and less commonly taught languages such as Chinese and Japanese. We also focus on our country's languages, Hindi and Sanskrit. Most of our faculty members are native speakers of the languages they teach and are able to provide students with cultural insights. Only native speakers born in the target language country are able to do so. Our focus is to empower children, families, and educators to use language, be it Hindi, French, German, Spanish, Mandarin, Japanese, or Sanskrit, and to develop communication and social skills in all its forms, to develop relationships that enrich their personal lives and inspire positive change in the world. We do so by offering the highest quality classes for children and families and do workshops for new parents through our Smart Talker program. Smart Talkers preschool groups are a fun way to stimulate children's spoken language, social skills, and communication development. Devised by qualified and experienced specialists, these sessions are for children. In addition, we deliver classes to parents and new parents with skills they need to communicate effectively with their children. Using singing, games, stories, and songs, we work on everything a child needs to be confident, successful, effective communicator, including attention, listening, understanding, and expressive skills. So please consider this website a beginning of our relationship with you. As the founder of Learning Unlimited, let me extend greetings from every member of the program, students and faculty alike, and invite you to get to know us better. We look forward to seeing you in a foreign language classroom soon. Thank you.